Book covers are an important part of the Wattpad experience, helping readers quickly recognize stories and discover new content. So in this video I will show you how to fix show all covers on Wattpad. The first thing you have to do is to go to Wattpad app. We click here. Then in this page you will move to above to the sign of profile. In this list you will find this sign of settings. We will click on settings. Then here we find content preferences, so we will tap on your content preferences, and after that what you will find is show all covers. When this is enabled, story covers that may contain suggestive material will be shown, so you will tap here to enable this feature and to fix this problem of covers. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.